Hi, I'm Shelly Fernandez from Ponda, Goa, and I've also completed my post-graduation in Business Administration and Aviation Management. While I was working in Saudi Arabian Airlines, I had a great urge to become an beauty queen since childhood. So, due to lack of timing and lack of social life as a flight attendant, I had to quit the job, but I took the risk. I went for it. Among 1,000 to 2,000 girls, Indian girls, I was selected. I was selected as Miss Power Woman India. After the pageant competition of Miss Power Woman India, I went for the international pageant in the Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. I came second runner-up in MS Power Woman 2017, and it was an amazing experience and made a lot of friends. And in the competition, there were a lot of activities like scavenger hunt, water sports, and intelligent tests, and EQ test, IQ test, all together made the 7 days activities, and it was fun. I would like to thank my mom, my dad, and my brother for being there for me, especially in this pageant. They have supported me a lot.